We are back out at Northeast Factory Direct. You know the story. Alex Nemeth, the owner of Northeast Factory Direct, is joining us once again. Alex, thank you so much.
Thank you.
The one question I get all the time is it too good to be true? So here, I'm going to ask you, how do you do this?
You know, it's really simple. We don't have a fancy place. Our rent here is a tenth of what you'd be in a high rent retail area. We buy everything by the truckload, and we just pass the savings on to the customers.
And the savings are incredible, not just hundreds of dollars. You're saving thousands. So give us some examples of what you have for inside the home.
Well, of course, we have our kitchen cabinets, which we're selling thousands of kitchens a year, and that's where people can really save a lot of money for the best quality you can get. We have living room sets, dining room sets, solid wood bedroom sets. We've got over 300 mattresses in stock, which we can really save you some money there as well.
And the great thing about it is, I mean, you're getting referral business, so you know that you're doing something right.
Right. Over 60% of all of our business is referrals.
Which is a huge point that I'm glad you're making. Now, something I'm very excited about, you've got something for outside the home now. Talk about that and your hot tub selection.
So, of course, we've had the hot tubs for a long time, and we're the only people in the area that have a hot tub with a lifetime warranty hardcover, the only company out there. What we're really excited about is it's taken us a few years, and finally we've added a high-end line of patio furniture, which is an amazing product which people can save a ton of money on.
And just to add another room, you've got pool tables and you've got bar sets. So literally from the top to the bottom to the outside of your house, you got it covered?
That's right.
All right, save thousands at Northeast Factory Direct, east side, west side, or simply go to northeastfactorydirect.com.